A very good afternoon to everyone. How are you guys? I'm also good. As you already know that there is one person who is front of you. The name is Mohit Verma. And today we are playing the debate game. And my team is supporting the business, and our opponent team is supporting the job. So I think start with my opponent team.
Okay, so as you all are know that how the job is very important. First thing is that you know that in the job we have to always convert the private hospital and the private job always the government job. But in the business we have don't include any kind of government expenses and the private expenses. So first thing is that how the job is more important except that the business things, as well as you know that if you are started away your business, so this started business is like that the started business of the 1 lakh to 2 lakh, but in the job we have to any kind of not means we can't any expensive of the job. So I think
The thing is that, do you know, if you want to live a luxury life at the point of time, you need to do the business. If you want to earn a lot of money at the point of time, you need a business, not a job. If you want to do the world of same as like a donkey, so I think you need to do the job. If you want to do the world as a smart at that point of time, you need to do the world as like a businessman. That's all.
As you were mentioning, sir, about the business and all that kind of thing. Do you know the ratio in the India about the business? The 90% business got fail in the India. Suppose that if you will invest your 1 or 2 lakh rupees in the business, and if your business got fail, what happened? Means your money got lost, and you also get the lot of means you get the like the economic term you get the lot of loss. According to me, the job is very fantabulous kind of thing. If you will doing the job, so you can earn a lot of money, and in the private job, as you listen that if you will have a great kind of skill.
Well, I will tell you the harsh reality of today's youth. Okay, each and everyone want to do the job, and they don't want to be a businessman. Their mentality, they want to do the job, they want to be a employee. Just because of it, many people are getting unemployed, and they are educated, and by being educated they are unemployed because there is no businessman. And the number of businessmen are there, they are doing the business and they are creating employment, but there are no number of businessmen are there, those who are doing the business,
Okay,
those
so
are
ma'am,
able
as
to
you are
create.
talking about like the business facilities, so let me clear you one thing. Like in the business, there are the lots of problems are there. Like if you are going to do any kind of business, so at the time the risk is there. You need the money, and in the India, all the families are not that much rich that they can they have the money to open the job, open the business. So lots of the people in the India, they prefer the job because in the job they are getting the facilities, or what kind of facilities they are getting. They are getting the house facilities in the government job, or they are also getting the health facilities also. So but in the business you can't get these kind of facilities. If you want your happy family, so at the time you need these facilities.
I would like to say that because in a business you can do what you want because you are the owner of your business. It's not like if you are doing a job, you know you have to listen to your boss and all the works he will tell you to do overtime. You will have to do. You can't deny it. And if you are the boss, you are doing business, you know what to do with your employees, you know how much time you can get, and you also know how to maintain all the things. And I don't think so we need all those things to, if we are boss, we have already many. And
you will have to do job if you want to open your business. As you were saying that if jobbers are donkeys, so you will have to be a donkey, because if you want to do a business, so you will have to need of money. How will you get money from the job? You don't have any other option. I don't think you are having a lot of money to open your business. Do job, then speak, because the every business start from the money. For the money you will have to need of job, not a business. If you open a business, so you will have to take a risk. The 19% risk will be in the business, but if you do a job, the 100% job will give you money, not a loss.
Do you know about who is a game changer? Is a businessman. If you talk about Meta and any company, there is a power to change anything. And on the other hand, if you talk about America, they are the follower of capitalism. And the America, if many company handle the GDP is 50%, like BlackRock. And there's on the other hand, if you think about India, every person think about a job, especially of the government job. That's why we have to face a in our life, like of emotional hangover. This is the kind of things we have to face: stress, anxiety, and on the other hand, we think about.
As sir, you are mentioning that like it means when we do the business, so it is very great for ourselves. That is your wrong mentality that you are having. As I also mentioned that the 90% business got fail in the India particularly. And ma'am, do you know the reason why the people don't doing the business? The reason is that they don't want to lose their money. That is the main reason that they are preferring the job first. And in the government means in the government job, as you can find the ratio of the government job is everywhere in the India, and mostly people like to do the government job. And about the private job, if you will have a great kind of skill, so you can earn a huge amount of money. Okay, the
The harsh reality is that most of the people want to do the job. That's why they have the enough money. If you want to, do you know what is the Hindi meaning of job? Means notary. And the notary word, it depends on like a notar. Do you know about it? Means a servant. And if you want to, first of all, think that which thing that would you like to be? Would you want to be a like notar or like a boss? Means a businessman. The thing is, and one more thing is that, do you know if you
Okay, so first you will be a servant. That's why you open your business. Okay, as well as you know that, for example, if you are start up your business and it's not run away, so what do? Nothing na. Even you first you do the job, then you start your business. So first you think about the job, not the business. Okay, and you have to know that if you want to be a job, if you start up your job, so you know that what is business management, and you know that which kind of employee you want in your business. Okay, so first you think about that kind of things and these kind of definition. You know that the business sector. So then you will start the business.
Who said you that money is mandatory for doing a business? First of all, you need an idea and mindset, proper mindset. Money is not that much important. You can take loan as well, and it is able at that point. Okay, first you need the idea. If you have the money, you don't have idea, so obviously you will lose the money. You will not
Okay, so like as ma'am you are talking about like for doing the business, the money is not important, the ideas are important. So let me clear you one thing. Suppose you are doing the job and you are taking a lot of loans from the bank, and after that your business get failed. What you will do? For giving the loan back to the bank, what will you do? You will do the job. So I can say for a job is the first and last option for every person for getting the money in every day. The people are doing the job. The first option in their mind is for the job.
Sorry to interrupt you, but I would like to say people preferring business over job. Why? Because there are less reason people are getting jobs. People are not doing job because there are less chances of getting their job, because people need skills, many things to do a job, and nowadays it is not easy because people are facing many problems while getting a job. So they are starting their own business. Why? Because they are not able to get a job of themselves. That is why they prefer to start their own business. As there are many restaurants in Delhi, you can see they are starting their own business. Why? Because they are
as ma'am you were saying that you will have to take loan to do business. So for the loan you have to show your pay slip that you can only get from the job. The second thing, they will never give you loan if you don't have a pay slip. So get the pay slip from the job, then do your business. If you want to do business, so job is a pillar of to doing the business. You can't do business without of money.
Sorry to
so you will
interrupt
have
you,
to
but
understand
if you have
it.
a knowledge, if you have spent your half life for a study, and after that you are not receive any kind of job, so that time you are going for a business, not a job. You are wasting your time in a study and you are doing very hard work. After that you are not receiving any kind of job, so that time you are going for you are facing the anxiety, depression, many kind of thing which is not good for your health. So that time you are searching the business, and that you after receiving any idea that you will be do the business. And business is very good for everyone, because if you are doing the business, so that time you will be providing the jobs other family, and you are feeding the other family.
As ma'am, you are saying that in the India particularly, the mostly person like to prefer the job. That is means that the mostly person like to prefer the business. That is your wrong mentality that you are having. In the business, that everyone know that if you will start your business, there is a 90% chance that your business got in the loss. That is the main reason that why the people like to prefer the job. And about the MNC company, they were providing, if you will do job in this company, so they will provide you a huge amount of package. Okay, by that you can earn a huge amount of money.
And do you know what the which thing we want in India, like of secondary sector? Because we want to the factories, companies, any kind of thing. If you talk about the bank system is a follow the business, and on the other hand, when you think about the China and the Japan, and in this things always prefer to the business, because they know if you have business you can do whatever you want to do. And on the other hand, when Europe, and this is the one things in the we want to
Okay, so
manifest ourselves.
Okay, so we don't want any kind of pollution industry and any kind of that kind of industry who just want to be a pollution. Okay, and we know that which kind of business you have to do.